The ICS malfunction warning in Toyota Camry models indicates a problem with the intelligent clearance sonar system. This parking assistance technology helps drivers avoid obstacles during low-speed maneuvering. ICS uses ultrasonic sensors positioned around the vehicle to detect obstacles during parking and low-speed maneuvers. The system operates only at speeds below 9 miles per hour and can provide both warnings and automatic emergency braking. The system relies on ultrasonic sensors that transmit high-frequency sound waves and measure the time it takes for echoes to return. Toyota Camry models typically have 8 to 12 of these sensors positioned in the front and rear bumpers. ICS malfunctions fall into three main categories. Environmental factors account for 40% of cases and include sensor contamination from mud, ice, or snow, as well as weather and electromagnetic interference. Hardware issues represent 35% of cases. These include sensor degradation over time, wiring problems from corrosion or damage, and electronic control unit malfunctions. Software and calibration problems make up the remaining 25%. These involve calibration drift after service, software bugs in the firmware, and conflicts with other vehicle safety systems. The ICS malfunction warning primarily affects 2018 through 2024 Toyota Camry models, with hybrid variants showing slightly higher incidence rates. High-mileage vehicles over 60,000 miles experience increased sensor degradation issues. Toyota has responded with multiple software patches throughout 2024 and 2025, extended warranty coverage for affected models, and improved diagnostic protocols to help technicians better identify the root cause of ICS warnings. ICS sensors are strategically positioned in the front and rear bumpers of the vehicle. These sensors connect to a central electronic control unit that processes the data and integrates with the vehicle's braking system for emergency stops. When ICS malfunctions occur, drivers typically see one of three warning messages. A general ICS malfunction indicates a system error, ICS unavailable means temporary shutdown, and a flashing indicator suggests an intermittent problem. Current data shows that 8.3% of 2018 through 2024 Camry models experience ICS warnings. The good news is that 85% of these cases can be resolved without replacing parts, and issues are most common during extreme weather conditions. Understanding ICS malfunctions is the first step toward resolution. Most issues stem from environmental factors, making the system highly sensitive to real-world conditions. Regular maintenance and professional diagnosis are key to keeping the system functioning properly. When your Toyota Camry shows an ICS malfunction warning, start with these simple troubleshooting steps that you can do yourself before visiting a technician. Step 1 is sensor cleaning. The ICS system uses ultrasonic sensors located in your front and rear bumpers. These sensors can become blocked by mud, snow, ice, or road debris. Step 2 is performing a system reset. This involves disconnecting your car's 12-volt battery for 10 to 15 minutes, which allows the ICS system to completely reset and recalibrate. If the problem persists after these basic steps, professional diagnosis is required. Toyota technicians use specialized tools to identify the exact cause of the malfunction. Technicians also use digital multimeters to test sensor voltages and check for wiring problems. This helps identify whether the issue is with the sensors themselves or the electrical connections. Based on the diagnosis, there are several repair options with different costs. Software issues are the least expensive to fix, while complete sensor or wiring replacement costs more. Sensor replacement is needed when individual sensors fail or become damaged. Each sensor costs between $200 and $400 to replace, including labor. Wiring repairs are necessary when there are problems with the electrical connections between sensors and the control unit. These repairs typically range from $300 to $600. To prevent future ICS malfunctions, follow these maintenance recommendations. Regular sensor cleaning is the most important preventive measure you can take. These troubleshooting methods are highly effective. 85% of ICS malfunction cases are resolved without replacing any parts, and 70% of issues are fixed through simple cleaning and calibration procedures. Remember to start with the simple solutions first. Clean your sensors, try a battery reset, and only seek professional help if the warning persists. Most ICS issues can be resolved quickly and affordably with the right approach.